Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to crochet a beautiful and super easy shell stitch bucket hat for teen size. I will use a worsted weight yarn and 5.5 millimeters hook. Let's get started. Start the work with a slip knot and then make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now insert the hook into the first chain and grab the yarn, pull it through and pull through this loop on the hook to create a ring. And we should start round 1 into this ring. For the beginning, make 2 chains. That doesn't count as a stitch. And now we should make 12 double crochets into the ring. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, into the center of that. Grab the yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. That's the first double crochet. Repeat one more time. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, second double crochet, one more time, make next double crochet and repeat this work 9 more times to have 12 double crochets at the end of this round. After making 12 double crochets, round 1 is finished and we should make a slip stitch at top of the first double crochet here. Insert the hook, grab the yarn and pull it through. And now start round 2 with 2 chains again. Then make 2 double crochets into the same stitch. We should increase the number of double crochets in each round. So in this round, we should make 2 double crochets into each double crochet of previous round. Yarn over, go to the next double crochet and make 2 double crochets here. 1 and 2. 2 double crochets into the next. And continue this work until the end to have 24 double crochets in total. After making 24 double crochets, make 1 slip stitch at top of the first double crochet to finish round 2. And again, start next round with 2 chains. And now make 2 double crochets into this stitch, the same stitch, 1 and 2, and 1 double crochet into the next. We should increase the number of stitches again. So repeat this sequence. Make 2 double crochets into the next stitch, and 1 double crochet into the next. Repeat that work. 2 double crochets here, 1 double crochet here. Continue until the end of the round. Now at the end of round 3 we have 36 stitches in total. Join with slip stitch into the first stitch to complete the 3rd round, and start round 4 with 2 chains and again increase the number of stitches. So make 2 double crochets into the first stitch, the joining stitch, 1 and 2, and then increase the number of alone double crochets. In the previous round, we made 1 double crochet after each group of 2 double crochets, but in this round, we should make 2 double crochets. So make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and again 1 double crochet into the next. And this sequence should be repeated until the end of the round. 2 double crochets into the next, and 1 double crochet 2 times, 1 into the next stitch and 1 into the next stitch, and continue until the end of the round. Now we have 48 double crochets at the end of round 4. Start round 5 with 2 chains again. Make 2 double crochets into the first stitch again, 1 and 2, and make 1 double crochet into each of next 3 double crochets, one more than previous round. 1, 2, and 3. And repeat that work. Make 2 double crochets into the next stitch and 1 into each of next 3 stitches, and continue this sequence until the end of the round 5. Okay, after making 60 double crochets at the end of round 5 and joining to the first stitch, start round 6 with 2 chains again, and we don't need to increase the number of stitches anymore, and we should make 1 double crochet into each stitch of previous round. So make 1 double crochet here into the first stitch and 1 double crochet into each of next stitches, and continue this work until the end of the round. And after that, we should repeat this round 2 more times. Actually, we should make 3 rounds of these 60 double crochets to reach the end of round 8. Round 8 is finished, and after making these 3 rounds of 60 double crochets, we should start the shell stitches. So make 1 chain to start round 9 with shell stitches. Make 1 single crochet into the first stitch and then skip next 2 stitches, go to the next stitch and work 7 double crochets into that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now the first shell stitch is completed. And after that, we should skip next 2 stitches and repeat this sequence. So skip 2 stitches and work 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Then again, skip next 2 stitches and work 7 double crochets into the next stitch, all in the same stitch. Okay, this is the second shell stitch, and we should repeat this work for making next shell stitches. Skip next 2 stitches, work 1 single crochet here, skip next 2 stitches, work 7 double crochets here, and repeat that work until the end. Now at the end of round 9, after the last shell stitch, we should skip the last 2 stitches and make 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet to complete this round. And now this is my work in this part. I have 10 shell stitches in this round. Now for making next round, I should work 1 shell stitch between these 2 shell stitches. So make 2 chains, and after that make 7 double crochets into the same single crochet to create 1 shell stitch here. 1, 2, 3, okay. Now go to the next shell stitch and skip the first 3 stitches of that, 1, 2, and 3, and make 1 single crochet into the middle stitch, this 4th double crochet of the shell stitch. Okay, skip 1, 2, 3 and work 1 single crochet into the 4th stitch, and again skip next 3 stitches of the same shell stitch. Then go to the next single crochet between these 2 shell stitches and work 1 shell stitch here. So make 7 double crochets into the single crochet. Okay. Again, go to the next shell stitch, skip 1, 2, 3 stitches of that and make 1 single crochet into the middle stitch, and again skip next 3 double crochets of this shell stitch and repeat that work. For making each shell stitch, we should work 7 double crochets into each single crochet of previous round, and after that work 1 single crochet into the middle stitch of shell stitch of previous round, and continue this sequence until the end. Okay, now at the end of this round I have 10 shell stitches again and 10 single crochets. And after the last single crochet, skip the last 3 double crochets of the last shell stitch of previous round and make 1 slip stitch into the first double crochet of first shell stitch. Now for starting next round, we should make 1 slip stitch into each of next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3, and now I'm at top of the middle stitch of this shell stitch, and I should start next round from here with 1 chain and 1 single crochet into the 4th double crochet of shell stitch. Skip 1, 2, 3 double crochets of the same shell stitch and work 1 shell stitch into the next single crochet. Then skip the 3 stitches of next shell stitch, make 1 single crochet into the middle stitch of that. Again, skip the last 3 stitches of the same shell stitch and work 1 shell stitch into the next single crochet, and repeat that work. And we should work 1 shell stitch into each single crochet and 1 single crochet into each middle stitch of shell stitches. Okay, at the end, after the last shell stitch, we should make 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet here, and round 11 is finished. In this round, we have made shell stitches between each 2 shell stitch of previous round again. And then we should repeat these 2 rounds, round 10 and round 11. Okay, I will repeat these 2 rounds to reach the desired height for my bucket hat, and then I'll come back. I repeated those 2 rounds, round 10 and 11, one more time, and after that made 1 repeat of round 10. And now I have 6 rounds of shell stitches in total, and I want to measure the height of my bucket hat. That's 7 inches approximately. And after that we should start the flared brim. So for the first round of the brim, make 2 chains. That doesn't count as a stitch, and after that make 1 half double crochet into the same stitch, yarn over, insert hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through these 3 loops on the hook to create 1 half double crochet. And now I should make 1 single crochet into each of next 5 stitches. This is the second double crochet of the shell stitch. I make 1 single crochet into that and single crochet into each of next 4 stitches. And for the last double crochet of the shell stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Actually, I made 1 half double crochet into the first and into the last stitch of shell stitch, and 1 single crochet into middle stitches. After that, make 1 half double crochet into next single crochet and repeat that work. Go to the next shell stitch, 1 half double crochet into the first double crochet of that, 1 single crochet into each of next middle 5 stitches, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One half double crochet into the last double crochet of shell stitch, and 1 half double crochet into the next single crochet, and repeat that work. We should make 5 single crochets and then make 3 half double crochets, and we should make 1 half double crochet into the last stitch of each shell stitch, next single crochet, and the first stitch of next shell stitch, and then make 1 single crochet into the 5 middle stitches of each shell stitch, and continue this sequence until the end. At the end of the round, make 1 half double crochet into the last double crochet of last shell stitch, and then make 1 half double crochet into the last single crochet. And after that, insert the hook into the first half double crochet and make 1 slip stitch. Okay, now start next round, the second round of the brim with 2 chains, and then make 1 double crochet here, and 1 double crochet into each of next 5 single crochets. Okay, and now make 1 double crochet into the first half double crochet of this group, 3 half double crochets. Now make 2 double crochets into the middle stitch of the group of 3 half double crochets, 1 and 2. Okay, and repeat the sequence. Make 1 double crochet into each of next 7 stitches, 1 half double crochet, 5 single crochets, and 1 half double crochet. And then make 2 double crochets into the next half double, 1 and 2, and repeat that work. We should make 1 double crochet into each stitch except the middle half double crochet of each group of 3 half double crochets, and 2 double crochets into that. Continue until the end. Now at the end, I should make 2 double crochets into the last half double crochet, 1 and 2, and then make 1 slip stitch into the first stitch. In this round we have increased the number of stitches from 80 to 90. Okay, now start the third round of the flared brim with 2 chains again, and make 1 double crochet into each double crochet of previous round. We don't need to increase anymore in this round, and we should make 1 double crochet for each stitch of previous round. Continue until the end. Okay, I made the third round of the brim, and after that I repeated that round. You can delete this round and go to the last round, but I wanted to have a higher flared brim, so I repeated that round 1 more time. And now I want to make the round of single crochets, the last round of the brim. So make 1 chain and 1 single crochet into the first stitch, and after that 1 single crochet into each stitch, and continue that work until the end of the round. Now at the end, make 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet, and the last round is finished. I should fasten off and cut the yarn, and after that hide this yarn through the stitches of the last round. And now my beautiful and super easy bucket hat is ready. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Have a nice day.